Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming at you with another work from home job lead. We are going to try to keep today's video short, so if you're new here, this channel is all about working from home and bringing you job leads, so make sure you're subscribed if you are not already, and all the jobs are always in the description box below. Today's job lead comes from the company Conduent. Now, Conduent is in a wide variety of industries, but they do services in the healthcare industry as well, and that is where today's job lead comes from. They are looking for someone to work remote from home. This is for my United States folks only, doing case research. So as a claims case research specialist, you'll analyze medical claims and further investigate those claims. You'll have to initiate conversations where recovery potential exists. So you'll examine and investigate medical claims to establish if recovery potential exists. So these might be medical claims that have already been paid, but a different insurance company should have been responsible. So you will have to be on the phones some. This is not inbound call center phone taking, but you will have to make outbound phone calls, calling insurance companies and patients and contacting them for insurance claims adjusters, different things like that, talking to personal injury attorneys. You'll utilize the internet and other resources to fully investigate potential recovery cases, and you'll establish recovery potential on each case. Now, they do provide training. Training will be 8 to 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for 2 to 3 weeks. The working schedule is they want someone to be able to work 8 to 5 Monday through Friday Central Standard Time. They are hiring within the United States, so if you're outside of the Central Time Zone, you'll have to convert your time zone to those times to see if that works for you. They pay $16.83 an hour, and they require you to have a high school diploma, but no college degree is required. You need to be 18 years or older, have a steady work history. They do want someone who has experience with claims or making professional outbound calls. You have to be able to work in the United States, pass a criminal background check, and type at least 40 words per minute. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.